Good morning, bandits. Jonathan Manis, aka the One Leg Bandit, is coming to you for Clear Cryptos. And look, our job is to bring you the up-to-date news, things that are going on in the crypto world, and that's what we are going to do. First and foremost, I want to talk about the MILLYSHIBBURN initiative. Okay, this is something that the One Leg Bandit, has started about a month and a half ago, and since then, I am overwhelmingly shocked with the response that we've gotten. If you go to shibburn.com or burn.shibaswap.com and look at it since we started this initiative, one person is changing the world. And I already knew that I could do this because when I started setting up wallets, I saw the amount of influx of people that I was able to help bring into the SHIB community. And then I knew that I could use my voice to create an initiative. Now, what that is hashtag MILLYSHIBBURN. Basically, it's all of the SHIB army burning 1 million SHIB. If even half of us do it, that's 600 billion SHIB taking off the total supply. So, we can all work together as a community. That's what we're doing. That's what we do here at Clear Cryptos every day. We work together to bring everybody the most up-to-date information and give decentralization the chance that it needs to survive, So I hope all of you are having a beautiful day. Make sure that you take a look at the new website. It's shibatoken.com. It's outstanding. Shib Trophius and the team has done a really good job of linking everything together, getting everybody on the right track, and making all the information concise so people can come and find out exactly what the SHIB token has to offer, all the way from SHIB leash and bone to the Shiboshis to the SHIB metaverse. Everything's in one spot. And new rumors are brewing about the shibarium being released. And when that does happen, I'm going to let you know the MILLYSHIBBURN that I'm doing will still have a great effect, but the overall transactions that are going to start burning SHIB, which that is the key thing. When shibarium comes out, they know they better put a SHIB burn in effect. That's what they've always said. That's what they're supposed to do, and that's what's going to make our SHIB token, our native token, skyrocket. I hope all of you have a great day. If you need me, reach me at the One Leg Bandit. I am still growing in subscribers. I'm up to almost 16,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 20,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And please subscribe to the Clear Cryptos channel. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Bandits out.